also I had to end up removing my tire, lowering the lower control arm, and I'm pushing this linkage inside of the hole here, and I'm putting a rubber boot under there with a washer and a nut, and tighten it back up, and everything's looking good. Virtually 2, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.